Hi, it's Tammy from SiteMate. In this video, we'll take a look at lists in Dashpivot, what they are, how they work, and how they help you standardize data across your projects. Lists allow you to store standard sets of values like employees, subcontractors, plant and equipment, cost codes, activities, and much more. These values can then be reused across your templates, so instead of typing names or codes manually, you can simply select from a consistent drop-down or multiple choice list. You can create lists in two places. The list library in your home folder, which is ideal for organization-wide lists like employees or subcontractors, and project lists, used when a list only applies to one specific project. In the list library, there's also list deployment, which allows you to use the same list across all projects, but customize what list items appear for that list on each specific project. For example, let's go into the general section here. We now have that employees list that we just deployed, but let's say not all employees are in this particular project, so you can actually just remove the name and this does not affect your main list in the home folder. You can also add another name or another list item that will only be available in this particular project list, not in other projects, but the new name will also be added to the main database, which is in your list library. And so you are still referencing the same parent list in your list library, but the names are then unique to each project. Let's have a look at lists in a bit more detail. And let's just keep using the employees list as an example here. Each list contains items, which is in this case your employee names or could be equipment types. Dashpivot automatically organizes items in alphabetical order, and if you already have any of these information stored in Excel or another system, you can upload a CSV file to create list items instantly. This is helpful for large lists or when you're migrating existing data. Dashpivot lists also have what we call list properties, which are these extra fields or columns attached to each list items. For example, we have text types of properties containing the phone number and email and the address, a date property for the birth date, hire date, and then we also have a special column called a date expiry type. This property allows you to set reminders or notification for when that date is due. Then we also have PDF attachment as list property type. So these properties let you store richer information about your list items, similar to having extra columns in a register or spreadsheet. As mentioned earlier, lists can be used in templates to create drop-downs or multiple choice menus. For example, in this location list here, we can just go link to a list and then select our locations list. And in tables, you can even pull across the associated list properties. For example, we have a subcontractor column for this external labor table here, and a cost code column, both linked to our existing lists. Now, perhaps I want an extra column associated with the cost code. So we can just go ahead and select list property, link to our cost code, and then select the property, such as description. So let's see the result of that setup just then. We select our subcontractor, let's select our cost code, and here's the cost code's description auto-populated using the list property linked to our cost code list. One list can also be referenced by multiple templates, so if you update the list once, for example, adding a new employee, it will instantly become available everywhere it's used. This helps you save time, avoids duplication, and keeps your data consistent. Because lists store structured data, they make your registers and analytics much more powerful. You can filter by list values, like the location, so you only see the forms applied to that location. Or in analytics, you can even group charts by things like the employee name, equipment type, or in this case, the subcontractor name. This allows you to get cleaner and more reliable insights across your dashboards and registers. And that's a quick overview of lists in Dashpivot. To learn how to use lists inside templates and see examples for employees, plant, subcontractors, cost codes, and more, check out our help articles or chat to us using our live chat here. That's it for me for this video. Thank you for watching.